I don't know what that was, but I kind of like it.
Spooky vibes.
What's up, Packers? It's GoldieBlox, and today I have a special guest, Chloe.
Hello.
And we're gonna do a whole video about costumes.
It feels like it's the most important besides the candy.
Yeah.
Because you can't get the candy without an awesome costume.
Exactly. We're going full Halloween. We're going all spook this month. Oh my god, what if my channel was just Halloween all year?
Then it'd be my channel.
Yeah. And for our first tag, we have an LED spider costume. Yeah, she was hiding underneath there.
It's so cool.
I know.
Love it.
I got fairy lights and I just like crumpled them up in a ball. Normally you don't want that, but I did it here.
It looks cool.
It looks like the sun.
It
does. Like a big star.
I've seen spider costumes where like you have to wear a mask and stuff.
Yeah.
And that can like really not be fun. And it's a weather-friendly costume.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you just want to wear all black and just like put this over your head, like you're a spider now. Like,
and double hack. You don't even have to carry your candy bag. You can just put it on the handle of the umbrella. Bam.
she's better at this than I am. I literally love that.
You can hack your hack. Featuring Chloe Noel.
We're gonna spin off of this show. That'd be so funny.
That would be fun.
For this DIY, you're gonna need a clear bubble umbrella, black tights, wire and wire cutters, glitter hot glue, black duct tape, googly eyes, LEDs, and Velcro. First, cut tights to create the legs and insert the wire and plastic. Attach the eyes. Tangle the LEDs inside the umbrella. Attach the legs to the inside of the umbrella using Velcro. Now that's one creepy crawly masterpiece. Under my umbrella, Ella, Ella. A spider, I guess, I don't know. Yeah! Okay, okay. I love myself, it's great. And for our next tag, we have, hey, are you listening? Oh no.
Sometimes science
Rough day.
experiments just go this way.
Let's make a meme. This is like, I can't do, wait. The lab coat is a thing that like disguises everything because it's buttoned like around her head. So it covers her torso.
Just give me candy because I already lost my head.
Look at that. You can't say no to that face. What
Really
if this
rough
just
day.
was always out, like candy? Like that's so funny. Just like,
And it could hold the trick-or-treat bag.
yeah, oh my God, hack again.
It feels like this day is going backwards.
I'm leaving. Oh. She's literally taking my channel. For this DIY, you're gonna need a backpack, foam core, hangers, tape, lab coat, turtleneck, gloves, plastic bags, and wire. First, create a foam core base for your body. Then, adding wire for your arms and stuff with plastic. Add gloves stuffed with wire and plastic onto the ends of the sleeves. Put on the backpack and pull on the lab coat. Mind blown. You know that like old like poem that was like that girl that always wore the choker?
Dude,
Did you read
Jenny,
that?
with the green
Yes.
ribbon around her neck.
I would never ever wear a choker in my life or like anything
But
around
now
my
they're
neck.
super popular, which means like Jenny is
Hot
starting
topic,
the trend.
brought it back. And for our last hack, we have the claw. You can like get you from the claw machine. That's another head costume. But like this thing is also like on a bungee cord, so it
Oh,
kinda,
that's
like,
so cool.
works. This thing moves. You know, she's a little jank, but she moves.
We're all a little jank.
I'm a lot jank.
No, I'm pretty jank, so don't worry. Embrace your jank. That should be a
Inspirational.
quote.
Embrace the jank. It's a
The jank movement. Here, wait, I want to see if I can. Boom.
Probably not.
It's just like a real claw machine. You
It's-
can
yeah.
never win.
Oh, that's so true. For this DIY, you'll need lots of cardboard, tape, backpack straps, paint, silver paper, toys for inside the machine, drill, wire, pins, and a metal chopstick. First, build out the bottom of your machine and paint yellow. Add silver lining to the bottom. Begin creating the look of the claw machine by adding your joystick and the claw. Attach backpack straps and close up the box with hot glue. Now, get ready to be the talk of the arcade. When I was at the Nickelodeon party, they had a claw machine, and I've never won at a claw machine before, and I won at this claw machine. And this little boy that was in front of me, he couldn't get it. He was there for 30 minutes, and I was gonna leave. So I was like, let's like get it. Like, let's just try. So like we go up to claw machine, and I'm like measuring it out, you know, like with science. Like I was like, okay, perfect. Okay, we're all angled up. And I go down, and it grabs it, and this little boy's face was just like, he was so sad. Like, I didn't give it to him. I probably should have. It was a unicorn rubber duck. Like, I'm not giving that to you. That's mine.
Every man for themselves when it comes to the claw machine.
I'm a really nice person, I promise. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween costume video.
It was so much fun. They were really cool and comfortable, which is an important thing.
Which one was your favorite?
Oh boy, that's hard. I really like the spider, but I would have to say my favorite was the claw machine.
I think the claw machine is my favorite too. Guys, comment down below what your favorite was. I want to hear about it. I'll make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and Saturday. And subscribe to Chloe.
Chloe IRL. I also have videos about Knott's Berry Farm. So go, because that's a really cool place.
I want to go so
check
bad. I've never been.
We should go.
We should go. Vlog.
Yes.
Okay. GoldieBlox.
And Chloe.
Signing off. Bye. Bonus hack, hit the subscribe button. That's it. So easy. And now you get super cool DIYs every Friday.